Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn on video camera for Zoom call. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to turn your camera on during a Zoom meeting and how to turn it off again when needed. This is helpful if you're joining a call for work, school, or a casual meeting and want to make sure others can see you at the right time. To begin, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure the app is fully launched and ready before moving on. If Zoom takes a moment to load, just wait until the main screen appears. Starting from the app itself is the easiest way to access your meeting controls and camera settings. Once Zoom is open, go ahead and open a sample meeting. This can be any meeting you're using to test your setup or a real meeting you're about to join. The important thing is that you are inside the meeting window, because the camera controls only appear once the meeting is active. If your controls are hidden, move your mouse slightly or tap the screen so the toolbar becomes visible. Now look toward the bottom left area of the meeting screen. You should see the video icon there. This is the camera control for your Zoom call. In most cases, the icon is clearly labeled and easy to find, sitting alongside other common meeting controls. This is the button you'll use whenever you want to manage whether your camera is on or off. Click the video icon to turn your camera on. When it's enabled, your video should begin appearing in the meeting, letting other participants see you. If you want to stop sharing your video, click the same icon again to turn it off. Zoom uses this single control as a quick toggle, so you can switch your camera on and off anytime during the call. As a helpful tip, if your camera doesn't turn on right away, make sure your device allows Zoom to access the camera. Also check that no other app is currently using it. But in most cases, simply clicking the video icon is all you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to find the video control in Zoom and use it to turn your camera on and off during a meeting. Thanks for following along, and we hope this makes your next Zoom call a little easier.